Welcome to the ninth video lecture on the topic transition and inner transition elements. In this small video, we are going to study color and spectra of lanthanoids. After that, I am going to explain lanthanoid contraction. Then we are going to study applications of lanthanoids and what are actinoids and their position in periodic table. So let us start with color and spectra of lanthanoids. Lanthanoid ion I represent like this: Ln plus 3 or M plus 3. Some trivalent ions of lanthanoids are colored. Their color is due to FF transition of electrons. Color of lanthanoid ion is due to FF transition of electrons. The ion having NF electron. I write here color of ion having NF electron is same to the color of ion having 14 minus N F electrons. 14 minus N F electrons. So I explain this point by taking some examples. So I take here praseodymium 3 plus ion. This ion has 2 electrons in F subcell. 2 electrons. This ion has green color. Now you see the ion having 4F 14 minus 2 electrons, that is equal to 4F 12 electron has also green color. N is equal to positive integer from 1 to 13. So remember 4F12 ion is thulium plus 3. So is it clear? The ion having NF electron has same color to the ion having 14 minus N electrons. I shall explain by taking another example. Look here, neodymium plus 3 ion has 3 electrons in 4F subcell and it has pink color. The ion having 4F 14 minus 3 electrons, that is equal to 4F 11 has also pink color. And this ion is erbium plus 3. So remember this point, color of ion having NF electrons is equal to color of ion having 14 minus NF electrons. The color is due to FF transition in the visible. The color is due to FF transition in the visible region of electromagnetic spectrum. If it is clear, I explain the next point. The next point is about lanthanoid contraction. A question was frequently asked in HSC board examination. What is lanthanoid contraction? And what are the causes of lanthanoid contraction? This point I am going to explain as per Maharashtra State Board textbook. So I write the heading, lanthanoid contraction. So I write here lanthanoid series: lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, and lutetium. Lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, and lutetium. I write the atomic numbers 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, and 71. Let me check the elements are correct or not. I think it is correct. After this, I am going to explain what is lanthanoid contraction. As we move from left to right, the atomic radii of lanthanoid decreases. So, lanthanum has larger size, cerium has smaller size, praseodymium has smaller size, and the size decreases on moving from one element to another element. Lutetium has smaller atomic radii. So the gradual decrease in atomic radii or ionic radii with increase in atomic number is called lanthanoid contraction. The steady decrease in atomic and ionic radii of lanthanoids with increase in atomic number is called lanthanoid contraction. So what is the atomic radii decreases? Same trend is also observed in case of ionic radii. In case of ionic radii, lanthanum plus 3 ion has 117 picometer ionic radius, and lutetium plus 3 has ionic size 100 picometer. That means the atomic size decreases from one element to another element. I explain cause of lanthanoid contraction. The atomic size decreases because nuclear charge increases from moving from one element to another element due to increase in nuclear charge. The second cause is due to non-introduction of new outer cell. Non-introduction of new outer cell. In lanthanoids, the last electron enters in 4f orbital. Again, poor shielding effect of f electrons. Poor shielding effect of f electrons. F orbital has diffused shape. Remember, the orbitals having s orbital, p orbital, d orbital and f orbital. The shielding effect or screening effect decreases in this way. The shielding effect of s electron is high and f electron is less. Due to poor f orbital has diffused shape. Due to poor shielding effect of f electrons, the outer orbitals are pulled inwards and atomic and ionic radii decreases. So this is about lanthanoid contraction. After explaining lanthanoid contraction, I am going to explain applications of lanthanoids. First application, inner surface of television tube or computer monitor is coated with 3 different lanthanoids which give color image. I repeat once again, inner surface of television tube or computer monitor is coated with 3 different lanthanoids which gives color image. Second application of lanthanoid, neodymium doped with yttrium aluminum garnet. Neodymium doped with yttrium aluminum garnet laser is used as luminescent material. Luminescent means light emitting material. It emits light. Third application, erbium doped fiber amplifiers. Erbium doped fiber amplifiers are used in communication system. Erbium doped fiber amplifiers are used in optical communication system. Fourth application, some lanthanoids are used in superconductors and permanent magnets. Some lanthanoids are used in superconductors and permanent magnets. After discussing this, I am going to explain about actinoids. Remember the group of 14 elements starting from thorium having atomic number 90 to lawrencium having atomic number 103 are called actinoids. They are placed in third group and seventh period of the periodic table. They are placed in third group and seventh period of the periodic table. The last row present in the periodic table is actinoid series. The last row present in the periodic table is called actinoids. आता atomic number कसा लक्षात ठेवायचा? थोरियमचा लक्षात ठेवा 90, लॉरेन्शियमचा कसा लिहायचा, याच्यामध्ये 14 ॲड करायचं, 104 येईल, एक कमी करा 103 लॉरेन्शियमचा ॲटॉमिक नंबर. ऑल ॲक्टिनॉइड्स आर मॅन मेड radioactive element. All actinoids are man-made radioactive elements. They have higher density, higher melting point and higher boiling point. Their densities are higher, their melting points are higher and their boiling points are higher. They are less reactive than lanthanoids. They are less reactive than lanthanoids. They show +3 common oxidation state because they are placed in third group of the periodic table. हे पहा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ॲक्टिनॉइड वरती खूप कमी क्वेश्चन विचारले जातात. असा एक महत्त्वाचा प्रश्न आहे, डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन लॅन्थानॉइड अँड ॲक्टिनॉइड. तर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन, ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट आणि डिफरन्स बिटवीन लॅन्थानॉइड अँड ॲक्टिनॉइड आपण शेवटच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत. हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत बघितल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. थँक्यू सो मच.